You're about to discover how we solved this water problem. It has smell, it has color, it's affecting their facets in the hotel. We are here at Proxima Centurion. So we are starting from the source. We'll be bringing out everything here, all the pipes down in the well, bringing it out, doing a shock chlorination, and doing proper flush of the borehole. So just stay tuned. So we're going to be putting a 5 micron here, to handle every type of particles that will be coming in. They will put a post filter here to handle whatever that will be going in. So just stay tuned and watch how we solved this smelly water problem, iron water problem. Now this is how the process is going to be. From the borehole, we're going to push through the treatment and serve the tank here, clean potable water throughout the whole facets in this hotel. Stay tuned. We are here at Proxima Centurion Hotel. We came back to find out if the water treatment plant we dropped for them is serving them just the way we planned. Immediately we came, good enough, we met with the owner of the hotel. We explained to her and she's excited about what is flowing through their facets right now. Then the GM came and met us.
After the whole treatment installation, the water has been sparkling clean.
Can we just see maybe toilet or bathroom or something?
Well,
we went to one of the hotel rooms to find out the quality of water flowing, and he confirmed that it has been tested and it's potable, and they're even drinking it.
Everything looks clean.
Does it still have that smell?
No, not really. No, it's okay.
Are you sure?
Are you perceiving it? Come on.
Okay. But what have the, any complaint?
No.
Okay, so far they say it's good, eh?
Yes. Thank you.
Yes, I'm happy the water is potable right now.
The water is nice, it's clean.
Okay.
And we've done the test and everything is clean.
Then we took a stroll behind the house where the plant is installed, and we saw the plant, and it testified that it is a good installation. So with this now, you have potable water.
Yes, so it's a big thank you to K Hills Water. After the treatment installation of this, the water has been clean, no taste, no smell, sparkling. And when we conducted our tests, alkaline, very good. So kudos to K Hills Water. Recommended any day, anytime.
It's serving them appropriately. The water has been tested, and they are recommending us to any of the hotels out there if you have similar issues, so that we do our water treatment plant for you. Then you have potable water flowing through all of your facets. This is what we do in K Hills. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Stay blessed.